Ayan guys, ang masarap na spring rolls ni Elmer. Ayan po, isang shaping dish. Isang round shaping dish ay 100 pieces. Here guys is the spring rolls or lumpiang Shanghai. Yummy! Let's see. With sweet and sour sauce in the middle. At meron pa po siya ditong katabing isang tray na empanada, chicken empanada. There you go guys. That's it for now and I'll see you